In front of me is Redmi Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access face data and screen lock. Then tap on face unlock here, enter your current login method and choose Start. Wait 5 seconds, choose Next in Attention pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then name your face data, tap on Done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!